Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to offer a PDF to new subscribers via Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to provide immediate value to people who join your email list, whether it's a free guide, checklist, or resource that helps build trust with your audience right from the start. First, open a web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to click on Sign Up Free and complete the sign up process. This will only take a few minutes and gives you access to Mailchimp's email marketing tools. Once you're signed in, look at the left navigation bar and click on Campaigns. This will direct you to your Campaigns page where you'll see a list of all your active and inactive campaigns. From here, you have two options. You can either select an existing campaign that you want to add the PDF offer to or create a brand new one from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use an existing campaign to keep things simple. Go ahead and click on the campaign you want to work with. This will take you to the campaign's customization page. Here you'll notice you can edit fields like to, from, and your subject line on the right side of the screen. What we're focusing on today is the design section, so look for the Edit Design button located at the bottom and click it. This opens up Mailchimp's campaign page editor, which is where you'll add your PDF offer. Now, to actually offer that free PDF, you'll need to add a button that subscribers can click. From the left side menu, drag a button content block and drop it wherever you'd like it to appear on your page. This button will serve as the clickable link that delivers your PDF. Once the button is added, you'll see the button content menu appear on your left side. Click on the link to drop down to expand the options. From the list that appears, select File. This tells Mailchimp that you want the button to link directly to a downloadable file rather than a web page. Next, click on the Add File dropdown. You'll see two options here, Upload from Device or Select from Content Studio. This is the step where you'll actually add your free PDF offer. Choose whichever option applies to where your PDF is currently stored. If it's on your computer, Upload from Device. If you've already uploaded it to Mailchimp previously, select from Content Studio. Once you've chosen and uploaded your file, it's ready to be linked. Now let's make the button clear and compelling. Highlight the default text that says Add Button Text and change it to something that clearly indicates what the subscriber will receive. You might use something like Free PDF Offer or Free PDF Course for new subscribers. This gives your audience a clear call to action and sets expectations about what they'll get when they click. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, click Save and Exit on the top right corner of your screen. Your campaign is now set up to deliver that PDF directly to new subscribers, giving them instant access to the valuable content you've promised. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.